As a parent, I am always worried about my baby's safety. This changing season, mosquito bites are a big concern for me. That's why I rely on Mamaearth mosquito repellent patches and spray. These products are free from toxics and crafted with natural ingredients like citronella, eucalyptus, peppermint oil, lemon extract. That's why they are safe and gentle on my baby's skin. Using Mamaearth mosquito repellent patches is not only effective but also convenient. They are easy to apply. It can be patches into my child clothes, school bag. Plus, it is waterproof and can be used for both indoor and outdoor activities. They offer great value for money, giving me peace of mind knowing my baby is protected.